Becoming a billionaire is a complex process that involves a combination of various factors and circumstances. In fact, we are currently over 8 billion people on this planet, but according to the Forbes list, the known number of billionaires is slightly above 2,700. Of this total number of billionaires in the world, Africa has only 19 of them, which means the percentage ratio of African billionaires to the population on this continent is 0.00001%. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's unlikely that you'll ever get close to $1 billion. After watching this video, I don't want you to lose hope, but I just want you to know that it's very, very difficult to enter into this billionaires club. But I'm not by any means saying that it's impossible. While it is difficult to provide an exhaustive list of signs, reasons, and factors, I can outline several significant factors that contribute to the limited number of billionaires and shed light on how some individuals manage to achieve such substantial wealth. The interplay of unique circumstances, opportunities, hard work, and sometimes luck all play a role in the achievement of extraordinary wealth. Today we are going to look at some of the clear signs someone is destined to become a billionaire. If you dream of achieving such enormous wealth and success, then this video is a must-watch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1, there is a battle for which AI company will reign supreme, and whoever comes out on top will have control and influence over society than any other leader or dictator that has ever walked the face of the earth. The AI revolution will usher in a new era of billionaires and multimillionaires. The development and mastery of an advanced AI system represents the contemporary equivalent of a gold rush for tech companies. The first mover in creating the most powerful AI will swiftly ascend to billionaire status. A robust AI has the potential to oversee an entire company's workflow, preemptively detect disease, combat financial fraud, and more. The multitude of AI application ensures that those with cutting-edge tools stand to amass significant wealth. Number 2, surrounding yourself with the best. There is a saying that if you're always in the company of 5 broke people and you're the only rich person, then you become the 60th broke person. Another important sign of someone destined to become a billionaire is the ability to recognize talent and surround themselves with the best people. People that have accumulated incredible amounts of wealth have understood the importance of networking and building strong relationships. If you want to follow in their footsteps, then it's only advisable that you start hanging out with billionaires, because this is probably the most comfortable position to be in. If most of your friends are billionaires, you can leverage their resources to make yourself a billionaire as well. Find ways to add value in their lives and they will reward you financially. But also remember, well-established connections can provide access to knowledge, opportunities, and can open doors to new possibilities and support. Number 3, exceptional entrepreneurial skills. Many billionaires have exceptional entrepreneurial skills and abilities, which enables them to identify lucrative opportunities, take calculated risks, and build successful businesses. Their vision, leadership, and strategic thinking sets them apart from the average entrepreneur. Number 4, insatiable curiosity. While everyone out there is busy partying and having fun, billionaires have insatiable curiosity that propels them to constantly seek knowledge and explore new horizons. They are voracious readers, eager learners, and always stay ahead of the curve in their industry. It's said that top CEOs of those big companies read at least 62 books every single year. And that's roughly about 5 books every single month. Number 5, having access to government contracts and deals. The opportunity to rapidly grow your net worth is heightened by securing substantial government contracts, particularly in developing nations. If you have connections with influential individuals in the government who possess the power to steer things in a certain direction, the path is open to you to seize advantageous projects. Number 6, passionate pursuit. The first sign that someone is on the path to becoming a billionaire is their unwavering passion for what they do. They are driven by a deep sense of purpose and are willing to invest countless hours into their craft, be it in business, technology, arts, or any other field. There are stories of Elon Musk sleeping at the Tesla company while it was still in its initial stages. Number 7, timing and market conditions. The timing of entry into specific markets or industries can significantly impact wealth creation. Billionaires often leverage favorable market conditions such as emerging trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes to position themselves for maximum growth. Number 9, global market reach. While so many of us have a mentality of starting up a small shop or kiosk to service our neighbors, billionaires, or those that on the path of achieving this status, are thinking the other way around. Many of them have a global perspective and expand their businesses internationally. By tapping into larger markets and leveraging economies of scale, they can reach a vast customer base, maximizing their revenue potential. Number 10, financial intelligence or savviness. Billionaires typically possess a deep understanding of money management, finance, strategic financial planning, and investment strategies. They make informed decisions regarding capital allocation, diversification, tax optimization, and wealth preservation, contributing to the growth and preservation of their wealth. They leverage their resources intelligently to generate wealth and build empires. Number 11, the risk-taking and tolerance mindset. Successful billionaires are not afraid to take risks, or they do have a higher risk tolerance compared to the average person. They understand that calculated risks can lead to enormous rewards, and that's why you see them making large investments, often at the early stages of emerging industries and companies. And this ability to navigate riskier ventures can yield substantial returns. They embrace challenges, think outside of the box, and are not deterred by failure. They see setbacks as valuable learning experiences. Number 12, your product effectively solves mainstream problems that have proven elusive to others. It's crucial to recognize that money follows innovation in all its forms. If you can provide a cost-efficient solution to a problem that impacts millions of people and has mass appeal, you are likely to join the billionaire ranks. Number 13, visionary thinking and persistence. Visionary thinking sets future billionaires apart. They have a unique ability to anticipate trends and identify emerging opportunities before anyone else can. They are forward-thinking and have a grand vision for the future, and that drives their actions and decisions. Building billion-dollar fortunes usually requires a long-term vision and unwavering persistence. Billionaires often encounter obstacles and failures along their journey, but they remain committed to their goals, switching and adapting their strategies until they achieve success. Number 14, relentless work ethic. Becoming a billionaire requires unparalleled work ethic. Future billionaires are willing to put in the hard work, consistently going the extra mile to achieve their goals. They understand that success doesn't come overnight and are willing to do whatever it takes to achieve what they want in life. Number 15, innovation and disruption. Billionaires often create or invest in innovative and disruptive technologies, products or services that transform industries. By offering unique value propositions and capturing a significant market share, they put themselves in positions where they are able to generate substantial wealth in the long term. Number 16, if you own extensive premium land situated in highly valuable locations across the globe, and you've been witnessing a significant appreciation in its value over the past 5 to 6 years, then the prices are high that you can be able to sell it off due to its prime commercial value and earn lots of money from this land. Number 17, adaptability and resiliency. The road to billionaire status is often filled with obstacles and challenges. Those who have the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and bounce back from failures are more likely to succeed. Resilience is key when faced with adversity, and this is one of the traits that puts billionaires in a club of their own. Number 18, wealth preservation and growth. Once billionaires accumulate substantial wealth, they focus on preserving and growing it through effective asset management, strategic investments, and diversification across various asset classes. They leverage their resources to generate passive income and compound their wealth over time. Number 19, capital accumulation. Many billionaires possess a strong ability to accumulate capital and generate significant financial returns. They may have access to initial capital, and this can be through family wealth, access to prior ventures, or strategic investments, which provides them with a head start in wealth creation. In conclusion, those are the signs and factors that can make someone to have a chance at becoming a billionaire. If you have some or most of these signs listed above, you might have a real shot at becoming a billionaire. Otherwise, just strive to be a millionaire because it's somehow easier there. Remember, success is not guaranteed solely by possessing these signs, but they can certainly be indicators of future success. So if you identify with these traits, keep pursuing your dreams with determination and dedication. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we upload new videos. Please don't forget to leave a like and a comment on some of the traits or signs you possess that you think can make you a billionaire. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.